Moscow, the other Russian side, 219, Moscow Police. So, yeah, great little competition going on amongst the Russian sides. Happy New Year, by the way, to those of you watching from China. I know it's coming up very soon. The Chinese New Year. What is it this year? Is it the horse this year? The year of the horse? Someone tell me. Next up, here at the UAE SWAT Challenge, it is Rwanda, RNP, SWAT Team 2. Rwanda last year, Team 2, went round in 2 minutes and 2 seconds, so that's the time to beat for these boys. Their personal target, of course. The time to beat this year is 128.3 from Kazakhstan C. The best Rwanda team time last year was 155.9. That was the SWAT Team 1 from Rwanda. So Rwanda National Police Force, certainly the Team 2 anyway, they will be hoping to come in under that 2-minute mark. Under away. Up and over those wooden walls. At the base of the wooden walls, you can probably not see it very clearly, but there are little wooden ridges, just enough to get a toe on, but not really a step. Looks good so far. No issues for the sniper. Oh, comfortably done. They're through the breaching door, they're into the submachine gun pen. What we're watching at the moment is the shotgun assaulter, 1 shotgun assaulter, 3 with submachine guns. The sniper, meanwhile, he stays to finish off his challenges, his targets. And a lot of support for Rwanda. You can probably hear the cheering from behind me. Sniper dragging the first of those deadweight dummies across the finish line. This looks a very good time, by the way. It's not going to beat Kazakhstan C, but it should still comfortably be under the 2-minute mark that they achieved last year. 3 more assaulters make the run for home, and they cross the line in 148.1 for SWAT Team 2 of the Rwandan National Police Force. So, next out, Almaz of Belarus. Oh yes, I like their compression vests. We always get some snazzy... Oh, he's just fell at the bottom of that wooden wall. The sniper fell to his knees. That won't have cost any real time though. Yeah, they are snazzy compression vests. I like it. The fastest time from the Belarus teams last year was the Special Police Squad of Minsk. They went round in 2:03, so in terms of their fellow countrymen, that's their personal target. Sniper's done. He'll head over to the Texas Star. The best time of the day so far is the 1:28.3 of Kazakhstan C, and a new course record as well here at the UAE SWAT Challenge. $260,000 is the prize money this year. Prize money up for grabs each day for the top 3 teams, and then an overall prize pot as well for the team that finishes the entire week as the champions. The sniper heaving that deadweight, the second of those deadweight dummies across the line. This is a very good time indeed for Almaz of Belarus, across the line in 1:49.3. That is a very good finish for Almaz of Belarus, comfortably beating the best of the Belarusian times last year, 2:03, like I said, of the Minsk City Special Police Squad. Tete says, I'm so proud of Rwanda. Yes, we've had the first of the Rwandan teams go out just a few moments ago. Keep your comments coming. I'll try and read out as many as I can. So, here we go. The first of the Chinese teams are about to take to the course, and you can feel the electricity of excitement as they are about to go. It's China Police Team A. 6 teams they have entered this year, including a ladies' team. This is Team A, and yeah, an air of anticipation. Remember, China Police, they are the current champions, the current holders. And they're away. Keep an eye on the clock. This is likely to be quick, so don't blink. Oh, he's having problems with that tailgate. Precious seconds dropped. No issues with dropping the targets, though, for the sniper. Commentators curse. The assaulters are already in this submachine gun pen. No issues there. Texas Star is done. This is smooth from China Police Team A. There's one of the assaulters has had a little bit of a problem. You can see that he was just making his way round into the pistol pen. There he is on his own. I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but that's going to cost them a little bit. China Police Team A, second of the deadweight dummies across the line as we go past the 128 set by Kazakhstan C. I think there's one more assaulter still to come. And sprinting across the line in 140.8 for China Police Team A.